Hello, and today I'm going to show you how you can switch from hosting your website builder to WordPress. It is pretty quickly and easy to do. So what you'll need to do is go to your H panel and go to your left side where it says websites. Click on websites and here you'll see the logo. If you have Hostinger, it will be different. For example, as you can see all the logos, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger Website Builder, and custom PHP HTML website. And here it is WordPress. So the steps are the same for every process. So let's say I want to change the WordPress to Hostinger or Hostinger to WordPress. What I will need to do is click on these three dots and I will see the swap button. But if the website is older more than 1 week, you will not be able to change or switch from Hostinger to WordPress. So make sure to keep that in mind. You will be able to change that only in 1 week. And if you didn't change that, you can only delete that website and create a new one. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can change and switch a Hostinger website builder to WordPress. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.